Guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Tanvi and this is Shreya, and we are back with another challenge that is gonna be never have I ever challenge. तो इस challenge में हम लोग दोनों ने ये दो कार्ड्स या दो पोस्टर्स लिए हैं जिसमें एक में टिक है और एक में क्रॉस है. तो हम लोग दोनों सीरीज ऑफ क्वेश्चंस रीड करेंगे. लाइक एक क्वेश्चंस हम लोग रीड करने वाले हैं और वो क्वेश्चन में हम लोग ने अगर वो चीज़ की है तो हम लोग ये टिक शो करेंगे और अगर हम लोग ने वो चीज़ नहीं की है तो हम लोग क्रॉस शो करेंगे और हम अपने एक्सपीरियंसेस आपके साथ शेयर करने वाले हैं. तो गाइज लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द क्वेश्चंस. सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज रेड बाय मैडम श्रेया. लेट्स गो.
Never have I ever gone to a music festival. We have.
Yes, we have gone to a music festival that was
Hardware.
in the year 2018. Yes, we both have gone there together. So yeah, you should start first and tell us about what was it all about. Hey, you had also gone to Justin Bieber's concert, right? You should first start with that. You sang mala. Because I was not there with you. You went alone for Justin Bieber.
No, I was with a friend there.
Okay, so how was your experience and where was it? In DY Patil itself?
DY Patil.
Yeah, so yeah, tell us about your experience.
इतना भी खास नहीं था.
Like,
I feel like I wasted 5,000 rupees on that.
yes, the tickets were
Because
very high.
Crowd इतना था and it was suffocating there. Plus JB came late.
And he did sing, he sang singing, I
Dub.
don't know. Yeah.
Lip sync.
Lip sync, yeah. Because many people were mocking him, but I don't know, I don't praise him, but I have listened to his songs and they are good. She is a very big fan of him, so
But I was disappointed.
yes, if you are spending so much money and going at a place and then you are not enjoying, so I don't think. But yeah, when we were at, I guess we went for Nuclear and Hardwell both.
No, we wished Nuclear, but we went to Hardwell.
Yes, we went for Hardwell and
It was the
fortunately the
best.
tickets were free actually. Through my father we got the tickets and they were free, so we went there. And you know, they were not taking us in because we were late, but still we somehow managed to sneak in. And that was very much fun actually. And I dance, you know, I really like to enjoy and live in the moment. But Shreya, she just like statue, she stands there like उसको कुछ मजा करना रहता. And how, no, I want to do
I
really,
dance in my mind.
yeah. Really, I wanted to dance and she was not even moving. So there was a group of girls who were dancing, so they asked me to join and I was dancing with them. So it was really fun. Like बहुत सारे लोग थे but सब अपना अपना decently डांस कर रहे थे. Like it was not like कुछ vulgar या कुछ नहीं था. मस्त हुआ. We really enjoyed it. So yeah, a big thumbs up. Question 2.
Never have I ever gotten a physical fight with siblings. Who doesn't?
Everyone in India, I guess, gets in a physical fight with sibling. भाई रोज मारा मारी. मेरा क्या ही बोलूँ मैं. इसका भाई भी और मेरा भाई भी कोई कम नहीं है. मतलब लाइक वी आर नॉट, मतलब उनके बारे में हम लोग कंप्लेन नहीं कर रहे, बट ये होता ही है इंडियन भाई में तो नथिंग न्यू. Okay, so now the question number 3.
Never have I ever cooked a meal for entire family.
I have not cooked a meal for my family. You have, so you should start.
It was during lockdown where I made prawns biryani.
Oh, prawns biryani. You know how to cook?
Yes.
Yeah, she cooks well. Actually, even I know to cook, but you know, I live in like my family. I cook, but my mom helps me in cooking. So like मैंने अकेले कुछ नहीं बनाया. Always my mom helps me. Like मी तुला हे करून देते ना, अरे तुला चटका लागेल. She does that. She's very conscious. Even if I'm doing something, she'll always tell me I'll help you out. She'll always try to help me. So like मैंने अकेले कुछ नहीं किया है. So no, I have
My
not.
parents don't care about me.
It's not like that. She knows to cook well, so yeah. सबका अपना अपना ओपिनियन रहता है. कि क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 it is or 4.
4.
No, question number 4. I'm sorry.
4. Never have I ever binged on an entire series on Netflix in one day.
Yes, I have. Which series you binged on?
I think so.
Almost every series you binge with.
I think I saw anime.
At
Fruits
night
Basket.
Oh,
Fruits Basket.
like it's अभी तो लॉकडाउन खत्म हो ऑलमोस्ट बट फिर भी वी आर इन हॉलीडेज बट ड्यूरिंग लॉकडाउन आई हैव binge watched so many series on Netflix, so many series on Amazon Prime, like मतलब एक स्टार्ट किया ना तो लाइक एक और एक और एक और एक और एंड देन देखते देखते लाइक सुबह हो गए एंड वी डोंट इवन नो. Like I have seen 13 reasons why, if you all know. I had seen part 1 long time ago, but then part 2, 3 I had seen like whole night मैंने उसे देखा and like next day I was not able to wake up. मतलब like yeah, I have done that. I never used to watch series but ये lockdown made me. So
I saw Money Heist.
Money Heist for like a whole night.
Completed 2 seasons.
Back to back episodes we have seen, so yeah. Okay, so question number 5.
Never have I ever pulled an all-nighter during school.
Oh, yes, I have. We both actually. We both. Shreya's parents were going out due to some reasons. Means उनका कुछ तो they were having some issues, so they had to go out, leave at night, and she was staying alone. So I asked my parents if I could stay with her at night. So yeah, after our tuitions, we went back to my home, took my things, stuffs, and we came back to her place. And yeah, we stayed a whole night here, and we were talking, chilling. We actually came live also on Instagram, and that created a huge ruckus also. But never mind, yeah, they are all sweet memories. Like it was the only time मैंने नाइट आउट मारा है कभी और else we have never, even you haven't ना. So yeah,
We should have gone somewhere.
it's like we are almost 20 years now and we haven't gone anywhere and it's like oh my god, lockdown made us realize कि no, घूमना चाहिए.
Enjoy our teen years.
Yes, almost
We are becoming adult now.
adult. Anyways, so yeah. 6th question.
Never have I ever had to give speech in front of crowd.
I have given speech. Start with you. आपने कभी दिया था speech?
I was in choir. I used to
Yes,
give
school assembly.
School assembly.
Yes.
I had to give pledge.
Yes. We were in this school, St. Augustine's High School, if you all know, Ryan group of schools. So we were in this school and यहाँ पे you were also in scout, no? You were that member, na? Council member.
Sports
Yes,
minister.
she was a sports minister. So yeah, for that also you have to give speech, no? Yes. So
I gave a speech on PMO that time.
Yes. She had given a lot of speeches. She was very scholar and we were not friends, okay? In school, we were not friends. We became friends later. Anyway, we'll tell that story
We know each
another
other
time.
from 6th grade.
Okay, we'll tell this story some another time. Yes, I gave speech, you know, when in school times I was very shy. Like I was scared. I was not shy, but I was scared. And then even teachers used to encourage me a lot. Means like starting years में किसी ने encourage नहीं किया, but ending में when during 9th 10th ना, my teachers used to encourage me a lot. So वहाँ से थोड़ा confidence मिला. And in college, I was there was some council का ही कोई तो like election था and उसमें मैंने part लिया. तो so yeah, that time I had given a lot of speeches like to all the children, मतलब all the people to vote for me. So yeah, तभी मैंने किया है.
You used to give answer also.
Yeah, answers to
You
yeah.
were confident that time.
Speech
During
if you are
school.
talking speech. So yeah, that's it. Okay guys, so we got some chai for ourselves and अभी चाय पीते पीते हम लोग questions का answers देने वाले हैं. So yeah, let's go.
Question number 7.
Question number 7.
Never have I ever seen a ghost.
Not really ghost, but I have experienced a lot of
Me
stuff. Like we both, even most of we have shared most of the experiences. Like मतलब सारे चीज़ हम लोग के साथ एक साथ ही हुए हैं. Like if you all know, we stay in Nerul. So in your Siouts there is a place called Parsik Hill. हिली जगह है वो.
बेलापुर.
Yeah, it's मतलब Siouts and Bedapur, so it's in the middle. So there, for fun, like we were in 11th 12th और वहाँ तभी हम लोग के अंदर बहुत मस्ती थी. We used to like do a lot of stuff. Like there's a word, but deep we not gonna use that word. We used to do a lot of masti, like not like other people. Shreya, me, and there is another friend. Her name is Priyanka. We three used to go, and we had taken PCMB. So we used to go. Like maths में ना, we used to not sit maths lectures. तो एक दिन दोपहर को we went out and चल के ही गए शायद हम लोग. We three, Gate was there. Yes, Priyanka was also there with us. And हम लोग climb कर रहे. There's एक पॉइंट पे क्लाइंब करते करते देयर इज दिस बिल्डिंग एंड वी वर सर्चिंग फॉर अ प्लेस कॉल्ड पुरानी हवेली बिकॉज ना वहाँ पे वो बहुत फेमस थी फोटोशूट के लिए. सो वी वर गोइंग देयर एंड ना अचानक वी न्यू कि यहाँ पे कुछ तो है, हम लोग को लग रहा था. एंड वी जस्ट वन एक मस्ती कर रहे थे एंड देन ऊपर से ना something came to us and then a mirror broke and we were like god damn so scared. We ran for our life, we ran like anything. उस दिन इतनी फटी थी ना हमारी, like and even we had at night we had classes in MT. Gate had maths lecture and we had biology lecture. So at 9:30 तक क्लास चलती थी और उस दिन इतनी फट रही थी ना घर जाने में मेरी. I was like कि Shreya कभी डरती नहीं है. When Shreya was scared and we were making other people also scared about that incident. We didn't know because that thing right away came near us. That glass broke and पता नहीं something came to us and we ran for our life. Like बहुत डर लगा था उस दिन सच्ची. उसके बाद से तो आई डेंट वेंट टू पारसिक. मतलब गई भी हूँ ना तो लाइक आई जस्ट पास बाय रनिंग फ्रॉम दैट प्लेस.
But people say there is
yeah
a
yeah ghost, you don't know, but people say there are a lot of stuff that had happened there. A lot of people have
lots of paranormal activities are happening.
yes there. And then even there are a lot of dogs there who like मतलब ऐसा बोलते हैं, not any of dogs but like people are scared मतलब वहाँ पे जाने में. And at night people don't go usually there. We are not spreading like ghost or anything but मेरे को डर लगता है. बट हम लोग गए भी हैं वहाँ पे ऐसे नॉर्मली भी घूमने, फोटोज. ओके सो नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 आई गेस.
Never have I ever missed a high five.
भाई मिस होता है ना, मेरे से तो मिस हुआ है. ये कैसे आएगा? नेवर ना, नेवर हैव आई एवर मिस्ड मतलब नेवर मिस.
You missed na, so you will do this.
How can I do this? I should do this na. Means that question is I have never. So I have ना, I have ever.
Never have I ever.
मतलब मैंने कभी नहीं मिस
Never missed
किया.
a high five.
नेवर हैव आई एवर मिस्ड अ हाई फाइव मतलब मैंने कभी मिस नहीं किया. ऐसे थोड़ी है, मैंने किया है नहीं.
किया है. Missed a high five.
मिस किया
Miss
है.
किया है.
मिस्ड हाई फाइव नेवर हैव आई एवर नहीं किया है ना मतलब.
तन्वी.
ओके एनीवे मेरा क्रॉस है उसका यस है, मैंने मिस किया है. I have missed. Okay, another question. Question number 9. Tick.
Never have I ever googled my own name to see what comes up.
Obviously, bro. पहले तो मैंने तू बोल, मैं बहुत बकबक कर रही हूँ. I'll drink myself. Yes, I'm not sure.
करते हैं. When I search my name.
What's your name? Tell them. Shreya Jagdale.
Shreya Jagdale.
Yes.
I go to Google Images and I see Shreya Ghoshal's picture.
Yes. You remember that thing, Shreya Ghoshal wala? Then I'll tell you later. So yeah, I have also googled my name, like meaning of my name, Tanvi. Then Since I'm on Instagram, my Instagram ID is Travel Tea. Follow me on Instagram, and her ID is Damn Shreya. Do not forget to follow. So yeah, I Google myself my Instagram ID on Google Travel Tea. So yeah, I have Google. Now question number.
क्या आया था?
I got my ID when I Googled myself. Like when I
I saw
Googled.
my Instagram profile,
Yes, you're right. Because that's very unique, no?
my LinkedIn profile, and my Pinterest profile.
No, I don't have so many things. I just got my Instagram profile and the amount of followers I have. And when I searched my meaning of my name, it was happiness. So yeah, Tanvi means happiness.
Shreya means
And,
success.
you know, my parents were thinking to keep my name Shreya. But thank God they didn't.
My
Or else-
parents were thinking to keep my name Asta.
Yes, I know this, Astha. So yeah, so my parents were thinking to keep my name Shreya and her parents were thinking to keep her name Astha. We wouldn't be friends if both of us names were same.
Doesn't matter.
We never know. Anyway, 10th question and the last question for the day.
Never have I ever got on a wrong train or bus.
Oh yes, I have got. सांग मला कोणता रॉंग या तू तर खूपच कॉलेजला जाताना ट्रॅव्हल करायचं
कॉलेजमध्ये मी स्टार्टिंगला मी नेरूळमधून मला वडाळ्याला जायचं होतं आणि मी अंधेरीची ट्रेन पकडली आणि ती ट्रेन पण एवढी स्लो होती. मी मग उतरली आणि मी ठाण्याला गेली आणि एक वेळा मला दादरला जायचं होतं. मी कुर्ल्याला उतरली आणि कुठली तरी भलतीच ट्रेन पकडली मी.
मुंबई लोकल suck, you know.
व्हेरी कन्फ्युजिंग.
I have never like gotten मुंबई लोकल बिकॉज मैं तो यहाँ सीधा नेरुल से मुंबई या नेरुल से पनवेल यही तो मैं नॉर्मली तो इतना मेरे से हुआ नहीं है कभी. बट या वाइल ट्रैवलिंग लास्ट ईयर इन 2019 व्हेन आई वाज इन अ फैमिली ट्रिप वाराणसी से हमें अयोध्या जाना था. तो लाइक वी डिडंट डू दैट इंटेंशनली. बट जो अयोध्या वाली ट्रेन थी ना दैट वॉज डाइवर्टेड. मतलब वो अयोध्या नहीं जाने वाली थी. उसका डेस्टिनेशन चेंज हो गया. डेस्टिनेशन सेम था. डेस्टिनेशन वॉज उत्तराखंड but it was not going to go to Ayodhya. But still we went in that train because we had no options and we stopped at Sultanpur which is something 50 kilometers from Ayodhya. फिर वहाँ से हम लोग अयोध्या गए थे. So yeah, that was not unintentionally. It was intentionally because we had to reach the place, but we had gone in the wrong train. So yeah. So guys, that's all for today's video. We asked each other 10 questions in which we showed if we have done or we have not done, and we also shared few of our life experiences. If you all liked our video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. My name is Tanvi, her name is Shreya, and we are students right now. We will be getting graduated in few months. So yeah, we are new on YouTube. Really if you like our content, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. By the way, we are always waiting for new suggestions for videos, so give your suggestions in comments. Also let us know. Shreya is also gonna start a channel, so उसके चैनल के लिए भी अगर आपको कोई अच्छा सा नेम लगे तो सजेस्ट करो. कुछ भी अच्छा ना लगे वो भी कमेंट करो, अच्छा लगे वो भी कमेंट करो. टिल देन स्टे ट्यून्ड. बाय.